Konnichiwa! Welcome back to Nihongo Quiz, your go-to channel for fun and interactive Japanese quizzes. Can you read these food-related words written in katakana? These are words you might see on Japanese menus, so let's see how many you can get right. You'll see a word written in katakana. Choose the correct meaning from four options. You'll have 5 seconds to answer each question. Grab a snack and let's begin. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is steak. Steki is the Japanese katakana word for steak. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is omelet rice. Omu rice is a popular Japanese dish made with ketchup rice wrapped in an omelet. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is soup. Suppu is a katakana word for soup often seen in menus. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is ham, which is often used in Japanese sandwiches and salads. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is pasta. Pasuta refers to all types of pasta in Japanese cuisine. Halfway there. Are you getting all the right answers? Time is up! The correct answer is cheese. Cheese comes from the English word cheese. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is sausage. Sausage is a common katakana word. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is milk. Miruku is milk in Japanese. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is cake. Keki means cake, which is popular in Japanese bakeries and cafés. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is toast. Toast refers to toast, which is usually served for breakfast. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new quiz. Still up to other Japanese quizzes? Click here for your next challenge. See you there!